Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SKT213 USB in orange. Okay, so on the front here you can see that you got 4 Type A USBs and 13 amp sockets. So it's basically like getting 6 products in one. All right, let's take our scissors and let's open it up. Okay, so inside each box, you'll get your part, you'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into a universal pattress box, and you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. Okay, first let's take the plate off for installation. Nice and easy with your fingers. Grab onto the corners and push forward with your palm. Repeat the process on the other side, and the plate will come off nice and easy just like that. Okay, so let's quickly just do 360. Okay, so on the front here, you'll notice these 2 holes. That's where your screws will fit into to fasten to your pattress box. Okay, let's flip it on over to the side. You'll see that it has a 47mm depth is your minimum for your pattress box that you'll need, so that there's enough room for this to fit in and enough for your wires there. Also on the back, you'll notice here that you'll need a bridging system, which is very common in Europe, so that you can get full power to the USBs. You'll also see on the top here that it's BS and CE certified. The cool thing about these guys is, let's say you got a painter coming in, they've just repainted your entire house, and now your old plate doesn't match the new color. No problem, you can just get a different one that'll match, and they nice and easily snap on just like that. Okay, let's take this off. We'll get the original one on. There you go. Okay, let's take a look at our instruction leaflet here. So on the front, you'll see that it has a whole bunch of different social medias where you can go and follow, give us a like. We would greatly appreciate that. If you flip it on over, you'll see multiple ways that you can contact us, either phone number, email, or live messenger. And in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you straight to our instructional page, and it'll give you tips and tricks on how to install the sockets. All right, and then let's just take a quick little look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, here is our SKU code. So the ART-SKT213USBOR for orange. In the top left-hand corner here, you have another QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you straight to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. Okay, if you flip it on over here, you'll see the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know that this packaging is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure that bell notification is turned on to stay up to date with everything trendy. And leave us a comment down below as to what you'd like us to do next. All right, have a trendy day.